So I just swapped out the receiver here for a 6 channel so I can add lights, and this allows me to use the onboard gyro channel 3 to gain it on the fly. With this GT3C that I hacked, this pretty much makes it 8 channel and you can set up any button for changing. I use just channel 3. And then I gotta set this down. Gotta hit that set button and turn it on at the same time. And it'll beep like that. I'm gonna have to do this, set the phone down. But the first beep is just neutral, so you hit it once. That's neutral. And then you give it full throttle while hitting that button, so hang on. And it beeps again. Now you got a full reverse while hitting that button again. And it'll beep at the end and it's all done. Next is the gyro endpoints. You're going to want to click on the endpoint button while turning it on. Once again, I only got 2 arms, so hang on. Okay, so then you'll end up with this double colored light. There's a little bit of green, a little bit of red, and you're going to want to go all the way over until it doesn't go anymore. And you don't want to go too much because it'll stress your servo. So about right there, and then click the button. One moment. Okay, you're doing it right with me now. And then it blinks the light a little bit, and now it's back saying do the other side. So then you just go all the way over, back off until it doesn't, about right there. And that's stock. We'll update it here. We'll get it set. But right there, you just hit that button right there again. One moment. And it blinks red, then green. And it should be, it knows the endpoints, how far it can go, and there's a couple different modes you can select. But this way, we use that 6-channel controller to control channel 3 for the gyro game.